Hi, today we're going to actually execute a query using the Hive View 2.0. This will give you an idea of how easy it is to write SQL or Hive QL. The syntaxes differ in some aspects, but not in all. And so this is a standard, query that everybody is familiar with. I just want to know how many rows there are in this particular table, fact sales. So I'm going to execute the query now. And as it is executing, well, it finished already. So there are 3.4 million rows in this table. And you can look at the log for that particular, if there are any issues, they'll pop up in the log. There is no visual explain available, but let's take a look at this TES UI and what it means. Well, there is no TES UI available right now because the query has already executed. Let me take a look at visual explain, see if any of that is available. No, nothing because the query has already finished execution. Let me do another, let's do another query. Let's do something that will take a little bit of time. So what I want to do is uh, select count star comma product ID from dim product to by product ID. And again, this is fairly, straightforward query. I just want to get all of the data from this particular product table, and let's take a look at there is no product ID, obviously, so no results are available. So and this particular query failed execution. Why did it fail to execute? Because there is a invalid table alias or column reference in the product ID, right? So clearly there is no product ID column, or if there is, then it's not the right uh, name. So let's just take a look at what that product ID table looks like, or the product table looks like. It's a product key, right? So now you know how, once you execute a query, if there are any syntax errors, so to speak, uh, where where the execution would fail and where the errors would be displayed. Stay tuned and we'll keep digging deeper into Hive and data warehouse.